Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I've left it late this time. Yeah, plan to get up here to Lingmore Fell, Loughrig Fell, Todd Crag, an hour before now, which is now approaching 8:15. Sunrise is at 8:30. Oh my word, oh that is just amazing. Wow, what a view. I'll spin it around so you can see. That's the view this morning. Not bad, eh? Windermere. Well, I finally got to the top of Todd Crag, cracking inversion. Hopefully you can see it there. Trying to get to grips with my A7 IV, my new Sony camera, upgraded from the A7 III to the A7 IV. My bracketing settings weren't working a minute ago, so I've had to adjust them. And yesterday I was at Arnside taking a sunset, and the quicksand sucked me grommet out of me Manfrotto B3 advanced tripod, so that's another 30 quid. So I'm just trying the classic shot here at Todd Crag. I'm going to get the drone up as well, because just some of the scenery and just the sunset's just cracking, well worth getting up for. So hopefully I'll be able to post a couple of pictures at the end of this video. So I'm here at Todd Crag. I'll go through quickly what I've been trying to do. See these trees here. I've been getting those with my 600mm lens. Hopefully I'll show you those pictures at the end. Just the inversion's just amazing. Sorry if it blinds the screen with this sun. And also the parish church as well. That was completely in mist as well and fog, but just all the way down Windermere Lake. Over there just looks like an island. And then this side, looking towards Rydal Hall, which now you can't see because it's in the mist. I've been trying to get a few pics from over there, and also Ambleside. And then I'm just going to go over to the tarn, see what's doing over there, see what good reflections I can get. But today, this morning's awesome. The weather forecast was rubbish on the BBC. Don't watch the BBC weather forecast, it's rubbish. The Met Office was much better and just said it was going to be bright, sunshine. Lower down, it'll be dead misty. But I've had good fun and some challenges this morning with bracketing on the Sony A7iii, learning how to get to grips with it. But some stunning shots. I could be here all day, and I just take too many photographs, so editing's going to be a nightmare. So yeah, I'll go head over to the tarn and see what we can get.